Hi everyone! I am Chris Malchins Alampayan.
And I am Theresa Anglover. Welcome to our discussion video about the endocrine system.
One of the most fascinating systems in the human body. When we think about the body communications, we often think of the nervous system, fast electrical signals, instant reactions. But there's another communication network working silently behind the scenes, the endocrine system, using hormones to control and coordinate almost our bodies do.
At the end of this video, you'll understand what the endocrine system is, how it works, and why it is important in maintaining homeostasis in our body's balance.
So what exactly is the endocrine system? The endocrine system is made up of glands that releases hormones into the bloodstream. These hormones travel to target organs to control growth, metabolism, mood, and regulation.
Unlike the nervous system, which sends fast electrical signals, hormones work more slowly, but the effects last longer. Some of the major glands are the pituitary gland, thyroid gland, adrenal gland, pancreas, and gonads, which are the ovaries and testes.
Let's take a quick tour of the major endocrine glands and what they do.
First is the pituitary gland, or also known as the master gland. It is located at the base of your brain. The pituitary gland controls other glands. It releases hormones like growth hormone for cell and bone growth, and TSH, which tells the thyroid when to work.
Next is the thyroid gland. This butterfly-shaped gland in your neck releases thyroxine, which is the T4, and the triiodothyronine, which is the T3, which regulates your metabolism. If it's underactive, you might lose weight and may feel anxious, a condition called hyperthyroidism. If it's underactive, you may feel tired and gain weight, a condition called hypothyroidism.
The pancreas. The pancreas is special. It works as both an endocrine and digestive organ. The pancreas releases insulin and glucagon, which controls blood sugar levels. When the pancreas can't produce enough insulin, it can lead to diabetes mellitus, a common endocrine disorder.
Adrenal gland. Adrenal gland is found on top of your kidneys. This gland releases adrenaline and cortisol, a hormone that helps you respond to stress. Adrenaline gives you the fight or flight energy rush, while the cortisol helps you regulate metabolism and reduce inflammation.
The gonads, which are the ovaries and testes. These glands produce sex hormones. In female, estrogen and progesterone regulate the menstrual cycle and pregnancy. In males, testosterone supports sperm production and muscle growth.
The pineal gland. The pineal gland produces melatonin, which helps regulate sleep cycles, and the parathyroid gland, which found behind the thyroid, help control calcium levels in the blood. Now that we know the glands and their hormones, let's see how the endocrine system keeps our body balanced through homeostasis. This is done through something called a feedback mechanism.
Here's a simple example. When your blood sugar rises after eating, your pancreas releases insulin to lower it. Once levels are normal again, insulin release slows down. That's a negative feedback loop. The system turns itself off when balance is restored. This kind of feedback keeps your body temperature, metabolism, and hormone levels stable, just like a thermostat, keeping a room at the right temperature.
And that's it! The endocrine system may work quietly behind the scenes, but it has a huge role in keeping our bodies balanced and functioning every single day.
Thank you for watching our discussion on the endocrine system, your body's amazing chemical messenger network.
Don't forget to like,
comment,
and stay curious about how your body works.